welcome back, and I'm going to show you that my dog is a guard dog. Now, this is what guard dogs do. The people they know, they like them. The people they don't know, they attack. So I'm going to show you how little Jessie here is a guard dog. Now, what guard dogs do is they sleep next to their owners and they growl if something's not wrong. They try to protect their owner. So this is how I know she's a guard dog. People she tries to protect. Hey, see? Sweet. People she tries to, what you gotta say, to attack. And it can get really brutal. Like she'll actually bite. She jumps in. So that's how you know she's a guard dog. Guard dogs also love to play. They're very sweet. And they know hand signals. Now watch this. This means sit. Jessie! 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 Hold on. Jessie! Okay, this means sit. See? Jessie? Jessie? See? This means stay. She hasn't learned that one yet.
She knows how to hug.
And this means hug. Jessie. See? Guard dogs know a lot about hand signals too. And we're trying to work on shake. Jessie. Shake. This is shake. They love their belly scratched and in the back of their ear scratched too. And they can be, and if you get them to settle down, they like you a lot, you can use them as a pillow. Sometimes. And that's it about a guard dog. Sometimes maybe you can buy a guard dog one day and they're super playful and sweet. Yes. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe. Stay tuned for some of our next videos. Bye.